Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make a free website complete guide tutorial. So if you don't have any kind of experience how to make a website, so this video is for you. I will teach you very easily just in 2 minutes how you can make your own website with bloggers and you can earn money with that. So, first thing first, we learn about bloggers. What is bloggers? So, friends, the blogger is a Google product, same like YouTube, same like Google Clouds, same like Google Photos. So, to see this, where you will find this blogger, just log into your Google account. Once you log in, you will see here 9 dots. Now, what you have to do is click on these. So, once you will come down, you will find here bloggers. See, these all are Google products like AdWord, Google One, books, podcast, collections. These all are Google products. So with these products, you can use this platform, the bloggers. Same like you use YouTube to earn the money. Same as that, you can use bloggers to earn the money and to make the website. And later on, once you are familiar with this, you can add your own host and domain and you can convert into your website. So we will start learning first how to make an account with bloggers. Okay, so we'll click on this. As you can see, I already have account, sorry, with bloggers. So what I am going to teach you is now first what we will do, we will have our own blog. So you have to give the name to your blog. So if you are new, you will just once you are here, it will log on automatically because you are already with the Google. So you will click here and here you will see new blogs. These all blogs are for learning purpose. I made already. So we'll start here with the new blog. What you have to do is here first you have to give a title. Same I will give the title how to make a free website complete tutorial. I will do next. Here we have to give any address which if people will write in Google so they can reach to your blog. So what we will do it here, earn make website free tutorial. So this name is available, make website free tutorial. So we'll do it. So our address will be make website free tutorial .blogspot.com. So we'll save. So as you can see, we have made the blog. Now second step what we have to do is we have to post. So the page is ready. It seems like your website page is ready now, but what you have to do is you have to add only the post on your website. So for this, very simple, we will click on new post. So here as you can see we have the new post and we have all the parameters which we can use to make our post to look good and better. So what we'll do, First, we will give the header. So in the header, we will write this: welcome to how to learn make how to, or we can write like how to make a free website complete guide tutorial. So what we'll do, we'll select all and we'll make it as a header, underline. So this is our header. So here now we have choices like better is if you will write a full blog like how to make the website or how to make like post, this all you will write, or you don't want to write, you will just add a video about it. So what I will do in this case, I will go here, insert video, upload from the computer or YouTube. So I will come upload from the YouTube, and here I can see this video. I will just add it. This video has been added. So if I want to write here now, I will write next video you will learn how to make a Gmail and blogger and post. So this is ready now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to publish. When I publish, so it means my web page is ready and I have post on my web page. So what I will do is we'll just come here to view how it will look like when someone will come to my blog. So it will look like some like this. So if the viewer wants to watch my video, he will just click here to watch the video. If he don't want to watch, he will close it and he will just start to read about it. And if any viewer want to comment, he can comment here, and if any viewer want to follow this page, he can follow also. So this is my first video about how to make a free website complete guide tutorial. So to watch the second video where I will teach you how to make the Gmail account, click on the right. And if you watch that video and you want to learn how to make a website with wix.com, click left. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you very much.